Chapter 11: Global Supply Chain Operations. The global shift in economic and political power is all too visible, and it has become much more complex and complicated. However, one thing is certain: dynamic industries from all around the world will quickly join the global supply chain network, bringing forces from several emerging markets. Their roles in the globalized network of industrial supply chains will be critical, culminating a significantly altered business climate. Until modern supply chains may navigate such a global stage, a number of key characteristics must be considered. Some of these characteristics include being borderless, cyber-connected, deregulated, environmentally conscious, and socially conscious. On a macro level, four big systemic challenges would have a long-term and general effect on the hospitality industry, as well as the global supply chain management system. The four dimensions are the demand scale, the infrastructure dimension, the capital dimension, and the time dimension. There are five conventionally supply chain survival strategies that have proven to be useful in the face of global challenges. These techniques include collaboration, supply chain integration, a dynamic product portfolio, creating a blue ocean strategy, and pursuing world-class excellence. For obvious purposes, collaboration is one of the most popular supply chain management processes. Any of these strategies include wealth sharing, synergy, risk sharing, and innovation. On the other hand, to become a world-class supply chain, it must compete in four areas: technological innovation, strategic fit, adaptability, and unique voice.